Hey guys, what's going on? On the forums, we've been talking a lot about the new Great Eastern Cutlery Lumberjack, and there's been a lot of speculation on the saw and how it would perform. So I borrowed one off another forum member, and my roommate here, she's going to show you how it performs. We're going to be going between a Wenger, a Victorinox, and the GEC. So let me get focused on this log, and we will have her start cutting as soon as I focus here. Alright guys, here goes. Alright, that's the Wenger cut. Let's go on to the Victorinox. See how it cuts. Here's the Wenger we was using. It's Evo 18, as you can see there. Alright, now here goes the Vic. You see that there, buddy? Here is the Vic Farmer. This is my modified one with the scissors. That's what there. Now we're going to go with the Great Eastern Cutlery Lumberjack and see how it performs. Let's get going, buddy. Alright, here we go, guys. I'm going to lend her a hand over here to hold this. She keeps whispering to me, and I'm sure it's getting recorded, so if y'all hear it, sorry about that. Okay, as you guys can see, this saw pretty much sucks. So let's see if I can get on through here with some help from her holding it. Okay, I give up. So, basically, the GEC Lumberjack saw is what they said, and that is not very great. So anyway, that is the review of the GEC Lumberjack. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will talk to you in a later video. Take it easy.